Welcome to the Solink banking demo. Solink is a web-based fraud prevention tool that collects in-branch transactions and events and matches them to video in order to look for outliers and anomalies that could lead to potential fraud. In this quick demonstration, we've collected in-branch transactions, matched them to video, and provided a little JPEG of the event and transaction details for the users to use in their investigation. The histogram at the top will show you the different number of transactions throughout the day. And if we wanted to, we could go ahead and filter different aspects for our investigation. So let's start by looking at the declined transactions. Now, once you hit that filter button, it's going to remove all the transactions that were not declined, and what you're left with, you can use for an investigation. So say we take this transaction here in the middle. If we wanted to investigate further, all we would have to do is click this little frame button in the bottom right corner, and this would bring us into a the full investigation mode. On the left here, you'll see that we have other transactions that were declined that you could go ahead and research. As well, if you wanted to get to the next one that matches your search criteria, you just hit the skip button here. Just like a DVD player, you're going chapter to chapter. In this case, you're going transaction to transaction to look at the different events that you'd want to investigate. Now, say this is one that you wanted to save to look at a little later. You can favorite the event by clicking that star in the top right corner. Click on the pencil icon in the bottom right corner, and then add your notes. So you could just type a note saying, fraud on here. Now, if you wanted to, you could also share this event by clicking the top right corner. You'll send it via email. As well, if you wanted to save evidence, you could download a clip of video by clicking the download button, which is the down arrow with the line underneath it, or you could actually save a snapshot directly to your local device or computer. Now, if I go back, we can also add some additional filters to help you with your search. So for example, if I hit this filter icon in the top left corner, I can change the time period I'm looking at, change the bank branch I'm looking at, as well as I could go to some pre-canned reports that have been set up ahead of time that can save you time with your investigation. So that's just a quick overview of our banking application. If you have any questions or if you'd like a more in-depth demo, please click the link in the description below. Thank you for listening.